So, Meta and Scale AI are reportedly in that phase of the relationship where you stop finishing each other's sentences and start rereading the contract. The whispers say quality thresholds, safety expectations, and who's on the hook when models go sideways are suddenly complicated. Imagine building a rocket ship out of labeled data, then discovering some of the bolts are actually stickers. If the annotations wobble, the model's confidence wobbles, and then your shiny AI assistant starts recommending avocado toast for industrial welding. Adorable? Yes. Useful? Less so. There's also the delightful cocktail of governance and accountability. When a giant relies on an outside vendor, who guarantees safety filters actually filter and bias checks aren't just vibes? If the answer is, trust us, investors hear, surprise, and compliance folks start sharpening their pencils. Let's talk economics, because nothing says romance like invoices. High-volume labeling isn't cheap, and iterating for quality can turn the meter into a slot machine on turbo. If you're relabeling edge cases endlessly, you're basically paying rent on ambiguity. Great for learning, brutal for budgets. Vendor lock-in drama adds seasoning. Tooling pipelines, QA protocols, custom taxonomies, these become the AI version of mismatched house keys. Moving vendors isn't just inconvenient, it's a refactor, a retrain, and a prayer. Which raises the question, are you scaling efficiently or scaling dependency? Meanwhile, optics matter. Big tech wants to promise safe, reliable AI while the supply chain behind it looks like a game of telephone played by over-caffeinated robots and under-caffeinated humans. If safeguards aren't auditable, every model demo becomes a trust fall without a spotter. Fun, until it isn't. My take. This tension isn't a plot twist, it's the genre. As models demand sharper data and tighter feedback loops, partnerships will creak unless incentives line up on quality, transparency, and cost. So, dear audience, if you were Meta, would you double down, diversify vendors, or build more in-house? Like and subscribe, please.